Hi friends, hope you all are doing fine. Experience has taught us that food is not just about taste and looks. Some foods have a therapeutic effect. One such food is the fresh turmeric. Fresh turmeric is a great immunity booster food. Today I'll be taking you through a recipe of instant pickle made from fresh turmeric and ginger. This pickle is good for digestion and it has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. So hope you will enjoy this video of raw turmeric and ginger pickle. So let's get started. Firstly, peel the skin from the turmeric. You can use gloves for this because the vibrant color of the turmeric, it takes some time to go off from your hands. There you are, you finished with one. Similarly do for the other pieces of turmeric. Similarly peel off the skin from ginger. Take care while removing the skin. Once you finish the peeling, rinse the ginger and turmeric. These are the rinsed pieces. Now pat them dry on a napkin or a tissue paper. This is a very important step so that the pickle can remain for a longer time. Now finally chop the turmeric. You could also make juliennes from them. The choice is yours entirely. Can you see the vibrant color of the turmeric? Make sure your knife is sharp if you want to get real fine pieces. Now transfer the chopped turmeric into a bowl. Likewise do the same for ginger also. This pickle has got a nice crunchy texture and you'll enjoy those small pieces in your mouth. There you are. Here is the chopped turmeric and ginger. To this we add lime juice, the black salt, and oil. I've used olive oil. You could use any oil. Give it a nice mix. You may also add red chili powder. Give it a nice mix and keep it aside for half an hour. The pickle is ready. You could use it instantly, or you could keep it in a clean and dry bottle, cover it up, and store it in the fridge. And this can be used within a week if it's stored properly. So easy it is to make this instant pickle, isn't it? Friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.